Hello, and welcome to a story that we get to read together today. I'm very excited to get to read a story with you because it's been a while that we've had one of these where you are really doing the reading and I'm just here to help you along. Let's remember during this story, I want you to use your reading finger to point under each word. I want you to look for your sight words. There's plenty of them in this story. And there's also some words for us to fingerspell as we go along. I do not think this story has any words that will use pictures to help us, so it will all be sight words or fingerspelling. So let's start with the title right here, and we see um, a word we can fingerspell, a sight word, and then that word that we fingerspelled again. So we want to remember it. Let's start with this first word, and let's put our thumb up. And when I say go, we'll fingerspell. Ready? One, two, three, go. Ah, hop. This is the word hop, and I think that this word hop is actually the name of this bunny right here. So we have hop. What's this sight word? Can. Good job. And hop again. So we have hop, can, hop. That's the name of our story. So we're going to read our story, Hop, Can, Hop, about this little bunny and this girl right here. Now, I see two sentences on the first page. We're going to read them first. We always start with the sentence on top, and then we'll read the sentence on bottom. Now, this word right here is a word am. Am. That A sound, is making the whiny sound, so it makes it kind of hard for us to fingerspell. So I want to remember that this word is am when we try this first sentence. So we're going to read together, sight word, am, and then we'll fingerspell this word when we get there. Okay? So let's start right here. Put your finger where my arrow is, and let's read now. I am, and let's fingerspell, dot. Now that we know her name is Dot, let's read the sentence again without stopping. Ready? Go. I am Dot. Very good job. Now let's go down to this sentence. Notice this sentence starts with I, but then there's a different sight word next. And then here's Hop's name again, so we shouldn't have to fingerspell. Let's just try to read it straight through. Ready? One, two, three, go. I like hop. Can you try to read that sentence all by yourself? Go ahead. Very good job. I like hop. So far we've learned the girl's name is Dot, the bunny's name is Hop, and Dot likes hop. Now, the next couple pages here also have two sentences on each. I see this word am again. Let's remember that in our first sentence right here. So we'll do sight word, am, fingerspell. Ready? One, two, three, go. I am, and fingerspell, hot. Hot. Can you try to read me that sentence straight through? Go ahead. Good. I am hot. Now, this sentence is a little bit longer. It goes sight word, fingerspell, fingerspell, fingerspell. So we're going to do a lot of fingerspelling the first time we read it, and then you can read it straight through to me afterwards. Does that sound good? Okay, let's try it out. Here's our first sight word. See my, fingerspell, at, hat, fingerspell this little word, aw, n, on, and one more. T, aw, p, top. So this is see my hat on top. Can you use your finger to point at all 5 of those words and read me this sentence? Try it out. Very good job. See my hat on top. Perfect. Now, this next page has a lot of the words that we already fingerspelled. So I want you to try to remember them as we read the 2 sentences. Here's hop. Here's hot. Hop is here again. Hop is here again. And then top. So we fingerspelled hop already. We did hat and top, or we did hot, hat, and top on the last page. So let's see what we can remember. And just try to read it with me the first time. We're going to start with the first sentence on top right here. Ready? Just try to move your finger and read with me. And let's go now. Hop is hot. Try that 3-word sentence all by yourself. Go ahead. Perfect. I love it. Good job. Now the second sentence, we're going to do the same thing. We should remember the words that we fingerspelled, and we should try to read it straight through. And I'll help you the first time, and then you can read it to me. Okay, let's try it out. Ready? Go. Hop can hop on top. Go ahead, try that by yourself. Good. Hop can hop on top. You're doing a great job. We only have a couple pages left. Let's see what's next. Now look at this sentence. Wow, these next sentences should go very quickly for us because look how many times we see the word hop. Wow, that's a bunch of hopping. So I see hop, I see a few sight words in here. So we should be able to go through these 2 pages very quickly. And there's only 1 sentence per page. Let's start right here. Ready? Read with me the first time and then you can try it on your own. Ready, set, go. Hop can hop, hop, hop. Wow. Try that by yourself. Go ahead. Perfect job, KB. Hop can hop, hop, hop. This is why we want to make sure we use our finger to point at each word so we don't skip any of the hops. If we just read hop can hop, that's not what's reading on the page. We have to make sure we say hop can hop, hop, hop. Same thing over here. We have a sight word, and then a bunch of hops. Let's try it out. Ready, set, go. I can hop, hop, hop. Will you do that one all by yourself? Go ahead. Good job. I can hop, hop, hop. All right, my friends, we're almost done. We're on the last 2 pages, and we have some new words that we can fingerspell and some sight words and some words that we should already remember. So check out the picture. We have 2 short sentences here. The first one, we will see 2 sight words, and then we'll fingerspell. Let's do it. Put your finger right here, and let's go right now. I can, let's fingerspell, it, sit. I can sit. Will you read that sentence on top to me? Go ahead. Perfect job. Now we'll go down below to the next sentence. We don't want to skip it. When we have a page with more than 1 sentence, we have to make sure we read them both. Now let's remember this word sit because I see it here too. But we'll stop right here with our bunny's name, or start right here with our bunny's name, and let's start right now. Hop, can, sit. Try that all by yourself, please. Go ahead. Perfect. Hop, can, sit. Great job. Now we are on the last page of our story, and we have a new character here. We want to fingerspell his name, and then we have a new word to fingerspell here too, and a few sight words in between. So let's start right here with this character's name. We'll fingerspell it. Go ahead. Pop. So this character's name is Pop. We know that now. Let's start reading, and then we'll fingerspell when we get to here. So let's start at the beginning and try to read with me now. Pop and I can, let's fingerspell, sip. Let's read the whole thing one more time together. Pop and I can sip. Very good job. Now we only have one sentence left. It's right here. We should know all the words, so we'll read it once together, and then you can read it with me too, or you can read it by yourself at the end. So let's try it together first. Ready, set, go. Hop, can, sip. Try that all by yourself. Very good job. This was a great story for us to read, and here's why. Look at all the words we had to fingerspell. We had hop, we had dot, we had hot, hat, top, we had sit, pop, and sip. That was a lot of good practice for us to fingerspell as we're actually reading a story. And you did a great job noticing all those sight words in there too. This was a really good job. I'm so proud of you for becoming such great readers, and we'll read more together soon.